Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is TJ's Life. Today I'm coming back to you with a cash stuffing video. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. So we're going to go ahead and get started into this cash stuffing. Alright, so first we're going to separate my change. Quite a bit here. And I had meant to come back to do a weekly check-in. I wanted to show you my new planner that I had gotten, but unfortunately I had to go into the hospital, and I was just released on Sunday. Come to find out, I have congestive heart failure, which apparently runs in my family. So yeah, I was in the hospital for about a week, and I just got home on Saturday. I am feeling much better, but now I have to wear a portable defibrillator. So yeah, that's that. So let's go ahead and put my pennies in here. I'm not counting anything. I'm just going to dump them right in here. Okay. I already dumped my quarters. So this is the rest of the silverware. Nickels and dimes. That's getting pretty full. This is heavy. And this one is just for laundry. Alright, so let's go ahead to my page here that I have set up. And set this right here. And we're going to go ahead and get started. We're going to start with this one first. So today, for allowance, I will be adding $5. It's a raggedy 5. Okay. Put that in there. Got 5 in there. Next, we're going to add $5 to beauty. Alright. So that's going to give me a total of 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, hold on. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 in total for beauty. Next is going to be fun. And in fun, I'm adding $5. I'm adding 5. That's going to give me a total of $11 in fun. Okay. Next is grocery. And in grocery, and I still have money left. Grocery, I will be adding $50. 20, 40. 45, 50, and that's going to give me a total of 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, but I'm going to put this here and take 20, so $80 now in grocery. Okay. Next is going to be household. Household is getting $2, and I still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So $9 now in household, but 5 and 1's here. I'll take a 5. $9. Okay, next is miscellaneous. Miscellaneous is getting 20. And I still have 60. So that's a total of 80 in miscellaneous. Okay, next is eating out. Eating out, I have nothing left. So I will be adding 20 to eating out. Okay. Holidays, I am adding 10. And I still have 30 left. So that's going to make it 50. That's going to make it 40. No, right, 40. Okay. Total of 40 now in holidays. Personal, I am adding 20. I have nothing left. Yeah, I made a couple of purchases, so I mean, I'm really into planner stuff, and I can't seem to resist buying things. Okay, so next is going to be rent. Rent is getting 100 this week. 20, 40, 68, 1. Okay, 100 in rent. And that's going to complete this one. Alright, so next we're going to do challenges and other. So I might have to get another binder for this. Alright, so starting with Christmas. Christmas is going to get 25. And I already have 50 in here. 25. And that's going to give me a total of 75. 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, 75. 75 for Christmas. Alright. Next is going to be savings. Savings is getting 9. Okay, so we'll put this right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 9. 5 is 9. So that's going to give me a total of 20, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 41. Total of 41 in savings. See, I told you, this builds up pretty fast. So 41, but I think I'm gonna change it out and yeah, 41. And if I have to come back, I will, in case I need change from my other binder. Okay, so savings got 9. Okay, there's one I call Old Fudge. Old Fudge is getting $5, and that's going to give me a total of 11. Okay, and this is for like not emergency, but like oh, I forgot to. I needed this amount, and you know, so this is like extra money to go towards that. Okay, so that. Then he is getting $5 in his, and this is just little money I put up to the side, you know, like for extra gas money, or if you have any, you know, just a little extra stuff. Not that he doesn't have money, but I do this for him, and he knows that I do. So there we go, $5 for that. And then, as always, I'm going to add $1 to my $1 challenge, and a 5 to my $5 challenge. I'm not keeping track of those. Black Friday is getting $5. Which is going to give me a total of 15. 5, 10, 15. And the 52-week challenge is getting 17. So 5, 10, 15. 16, 17. Alright, so let's see what that brings me up to. And I'm probably going to exchange some bills here. 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 49, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. Okay, so I'm going to exchange some bills here. Take a 20, and that gives me 45. Okay, I'm doing pretty good on this one. And then, let's see here, what to color this in. Okay, so I added a total of 17. Alright, so that is it for this one. Okay, my last one is the sinking funds. So, starting with birthdays, birthdays get $5. Okay, so that brings me to a total of 15. Birthdays. Emergency is going to get $5. So that's going to bring me to a total of 15 for emergency. Gifts is going to get $1. So that's going to be a total of $3 for gifts. Home. Let's see, is that the next one? No. Home is going to get 25. So that should be a total of 325. 1, 2, 3, 25. 325 for home. Okay, medical. Okay, so medical is getting 15. I just paid a copay. I had to pay a copay today because I have to go to the doctor's later on. I think I'm gonna keep building this up a little bit, and then I'll take out, if I have to replace any money that I took off my bank card. So total of 15 in medical. Sam's Club. Sam's Club is getting $1. Which should give me a total of 3. Okay, $4 for Sam's Club. Okay. Next is vacation. Vacation is getting 5. It's a total of 15. Tech is getting 10. Okay, so you know what? I'm gonna come back to Tech. I'm gonna skip and go to retirement. Retirement is getting 5. I'm gonna put money in Tech, but I know I'm gonna need change. So it's a total of 15 for retirement. Okay, and then so let's go back here to the grandkids. So my grandson, he's gonna get 13, which should bring him to a total of 26. So that there. I'm gonna come back to it. I know I am. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 26. 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, okay. For Egypt is getting 7, and this is where I'm gonna get the change from. Okay, 7. So she has 7. That's gonna bring her to a total of 14. I'm gonna put the 5 here and take 2 ones. 14 for her. Egypt is getting 2, and she has $2 in here already, so that gives her a total of 4. Total of 4 for her. Okay, and then let's see. So, supposed to be adding 10. 1, 2, 3. I mean, I'm supposed to be adding 7. So 5. No, 1. Okay, let me put that back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm just going to bring this to a total of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 in there. Okay. And which brings me back to Tech. And Tech is getting, let's see, where is it at? Tech is getting 10. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And there we go. Which gives me a total of 30 for Tech. And that is all. And since I already knew how much I was going to be putting in today, I stuffed a total of $400 today. And that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for joining me today, and I really appreciate those who have come on to view my videos. I've had a couple of subscribers reach out to me, and I just want to say thank you so much for your comments and support. And until next time, make today great. Bye bye.